So if you need a new fence, let us know for your restaurant, for your home, commercial. We do big commercial fencing. You can see the kids out here doing all kinds of stuff out here. The fence. We're wrapping this up. It's looking beautiful, man. Gorgeous. We're putting some extra 2x4s on the back here because they're going to kick the balls. The kids are against the fence. Guys are wrapping everything up. It's looking good. We're reinforcing the back because of the balls there. They're going to kick the balls there. But that's it. Need a new fence, a sliding gate. If you need sod, if you need a sprinkler system repaired or a sprinkler system installed, give me a call, 214-702-1902. We specialize in this stuff. Everybody that we hire is quality. We do quality work. It speaks for itself. Go to onpointdfw.com. I'm a Army Airborne veteran, and any of my veterans, we're gonna give you a great discount. Hit me up, onpointdfw.com.